Hi guys, it's me again. Now today, I'll be making an unboxing and first impressions for you of my new earbuds I just got. The ones I got this time are the klipsch R6. These were a $60 pair of earbuds, and I'm very interested to see how these compare to the Bose ones I got. And I'm just doing my unboxing first impressions right now, and then I'll probably do a comparison of these versus the Bose later. But what mainly brought me to these is I got a set of computer speakers by these guys, and the computer speakers are just amazing. And so that's what it mainly brought me to these is because of how good the computer speakers are. So so anyway, we'll get into these, and we'll see how good they actually are. They got a nice frequency response of 10 to 18. That's a pretty nice frequency response. So here's, you get a carrying case. It actually gives you a thing to put your earbuds in, which is pretty nice. It has some good padding in it to keep them safe. That's good. Here's your instruction manuals, which I don't need. And here these are the ear tips on these are very interesting. These are not like a traditional ear tip. They're actually more of an oval shape than a regular circle, which klipsch is the only one that makes these, and they're supposed to make the earbuds better, sure, more comfortable, and better noise cancellation. And these earbuds are a noise isolation design. So, well, here's what they look like. They're a little bit of an odd shape, yes. That's could be because they did that for comfort. So, well, let's get these out of the way, because I don't need these. Put them back in here, and then put this back in the box. Get that out of the way. Now, well, here's the earbud. The cable feels very strong. The cable does not feel cheap. I can say that right now. Well, this is actually a really good feeling cable. It has some kinks in it. I'm just trying to get the kinks out. So these seem like a really good headphone. And they're they're actually really comfortable. Well, let me try to change these ear tips for a minute just to see something. Okay. Let's trying out different ear tips to see which one actually will work the best for me. So the comfort is really good. So let's. So I'm gonna hook these up real quick to my phone, and let's see how they sound. The comfort is really good. Good. The sound quality is very clear. And their first first go, they are comparable to my Bose. The sound quality is there. The clarity is there. The very clear. They're like Bose. And overall, noise cancellation seems pretty well perfect. First impressions, I can see these being just as good, if not better, than the Bose. The cabling is seems very nice and strong. Cabling does not feel cheap at all. And the noise cancellation is there. I really like the size of these. They're very small compared to my Bose. So, and the jack is a straight jack, which I prefer an L jack, but the straights are still okay. He he and he seems sturdy. See, yeah. So my overall first impressions are these seem just as good, if not better, than my bows. And these are about half the price of the bows, so that's very good. Good. So stay tuned for a review of the bows and a comparison of the bows against my new klipsch earbuds. You can pick these up for $60. There's a Best Buy, or you can buy them with the mic and remote for $80. But overall, they from first impression, they actually do seem very comparable. Well, so I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions, and stay tuned for the review and comparison. Thank you for watching, and make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.